Is all about social media. Social media is an online platform where we can share thoughts, information, pictures and videos. We all use it in our day-to-day life. It has become an integral part of our lives. There are various social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram. We all use them to communicate. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. Now my classmate Tejashwini is going to explain you about advantages of social media. Thank you.
Advantages: social media is used to create awareness amongst people. Another benefit of social media is that people can showcase their talent of on this platform. Many people are gained from by showing their thoughts of social media. It is also helping to create. It is also helping to create people onto money. People sell a lot of things like clothes, books, electronic items, etc. The biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our thoughts and ideas with people across the world. Thank you. Now my classmate Rahman going to explain about disadvantages of social media.
Disadvantages: spending a lot of time on social media also bringing a lot of health disorders like stress, anxiety, sleeplessness. About drawbacks of social media: we cannot trust the information of social media. Some informations are true, some informations can fake. We need to stay alert from hackers. We need to use this platform wisely. Thank you, Mike. Now my classmate Safan is going to explain about Facebook.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Rai Safan. I am studying 6th standard. Today I am going to say about Facebook. You all know me very well. I am Facebook. Because of me, only the social media generation has evolved. Thank you. Now my friend Amir going to say about Instagram.
My addictive nature can lead to excessive time spent on me. You spend on me each day. You distract from me completion of your school works. Nowadays, I become a popular tool of cyberbullying, especially young people. Thank you. Now my friend Stephen will say about WhatsApp.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Stephen Sir. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am going to say about WhatsApp. Hello everyone. I am WhatsApp, the most famous messaging app. I am messaging up much study time of student and spoil your education, and I play a vital role in spread from information. Thank you. Now my classmate Pujita say about Snapchat.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Pujita. I am studying 6th class. Now I am going to say about Snapchat, the platform free entertainment with fun filters available to add photos and videos. Snapchat allows you to chat or take photos and videos and share with one person or multiple people and add to your story which shares it with all your followers. Negative effects of Snapchat: there is always a possibility that private content could be leaked or shared without contact, unwanted contact, pressure to share, pressure to chat. Thank you. Now my friend Lasha is going to explain about YouTube. YouTube is an information platform for students. YouTube can act as a supplement to classroom learning. Negative effects to YouTube: misinforms, increase screen time, kills productivity. Now my friend Salma is going to explain about Google. I am an internet searching engine. I organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. The useful Google full form is Global Organization Oriented Group Language of Earth. Thank you. Now my classmate Pujita going to explain about social media. Social media can be a valuable tool for students, offering opportunities for information sharing. However, excessive use may lead to reduced time. Potential negative impacts for mental health. It's essential for students to increase social media mindfully. Thank you. Now my classmate Stephen is going to say one quotation.
Quotation:
The more social media we have, we think that we are connecting, yet we are really disconnecting from each other. I repeated quotation. The more social media we have, we think that we are connecting, yet we are really disconnecting from each other. Thank you.